revisiting your string, your head string. We're going to imagine, if you'll turn to the side, we're going to imagine a head string. We're going to imagine head strings attached to several different vertebrae all the way down the spine. We have a head string, we have a neck string, we have a string in between the shoulder blades, we have a string at the waist, and a string at your tail. The first one, head string, is cut, but that neck string is still holding you. So, snip, head falls, very soft neck, nice string attached. And then now this string is cut, snip, and shoulder blade string. Good, nice loose shoulders hanging. And then shoulder blade string is cut to waist string. Nice. And then waist string is cut to tail string. Yes, and you begin your swaying. Yeah, as if the shadow is moving your hips side to side. Your dantian is swirling around inside of your pelvis. Beautiful. You can even add a body wave. An impulse from the dantian rises up the spine. Yes, can be as small or as big as you want. Good. Yes, beautiful. Rising all the way through the spine, into the head and arms. Yes. And the swirling still happens. Beautiful. And to recover, impulse in the dantian, imagining a water knife carving your tail down and forward, knees bending, spine rolling up successionally, stacking the vertebra back on top, back into your perfect alignment, strings hanging from your strings. Beautiful. And now if you'll turn front, we'll demonstrate this to one side. Can do the same thing falling to the side, still imagining the same spine strings. Head cut, head falls, snip, beautiful. Still hanging from the side of the neck into the spine. And then the neck string is cut, pew, and falling from between the shoulder blades, beautiful. And then the shoulder blade string is cut, snip, and falling from the waist, nice, hanging from this star string, falling from the waist to the tail. The body continues, snip, to pour and pours forward, nice, into the same swaying body wave, beautiful, yes, and body waves can happen, nice. Nice. See the wave action within his spine and torso. And the same recovery, carving the tail, impulse from the dantian, rounding the spine, stacking the vertebra successionally, rolling up. Beautiful. Yes. And we won't demonstrate the second side, but you can do that one on your own. We're going to demonstrate as if all the strings are cut one at a time, continuously, boop, 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 as you roll down to the front. And here we go, head string, snip, snip, snip. Yes, good. And the whole body falls, and then the tail string is lifted up. Beautiful. Can again dangle and sway. Body wave. Beautiful. And the wave, nice. And then the water knife carves, rolling up the spine. Beautiful. So also, and let me demonstrate this one time. So this time, we're going to go head string falling quickly with tail just dangling. And this tail string you can imagine like a monkey's tail hanging over a branch, dangling from this branch. Again, body waves, your imaginary shadow. Now, from here, to roll up, one little different way to roll up. This time you imagine water, as if you're confronting a wave. This water pours back into your feet, into your ankles. You respond, bending, pushing into this wave. Wave moves through the shins, through the knees, through the thighs. Your body pushing into this wave, pushing, opening, welcoming the wave with chest and arms and throat and face, dangling from your head string, from your finger strings. Again, you can drop into this forward fall. Boom, boom, boom. Tail string lifts, can sway, can body wave, can push into the wave. Knees, feeling the ankles, knees, everything pushes into this wave, feeling this impulse from the core, pressing into the wave, meeting the wave, greeting the wave, welcoming it. And one more time. Strings on the fingers, strings on the head, body falls. Tail string and wave. Impulse from core. Pressing, opening, welcoming. Dangling.